everyone, look at this backdrop design I draw. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to make it in reality. Now let's go. Okay, look, I passed the design to a factory and asked them how to print it out. Now I first skip the procedure of how to assemble this backdrop because I already took a tutorial to show you the detail. If you are interested, click here for the tutorial. Now let's put on a stand to support the backdrop sturdy. About the type and detail of the stand which used for backdrop, you can check my old tutorial by click here. Okay, the backdrop was set up. And then let's make the pedestal. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, look, the pedestal was set up. And then let's make the flower arrangement and put on the pedestal. Okay, making the flower arrangement, I will use this round bowl. Then put on a small flower foam. The following will be very simple, just insert our flower and leaf. If you want to make the flower arrangement large, you can use this long stem. If you want it small, you can use this short stem. We supply a lot of type of stem. Okay, very simple, just insert on the flower foam. Okay, look, completed with the small flower arrangement. Okay, so I make 3 of this flower arrangement. Okay, now let's put them on the pedestal. Look, let's put them one by one. Look, let's check the effect. If we have some flower white, just some flower white on the pedestal, the come out will be much more pretty. But anyway, let's go ahead. And now let's stick our sign on the backdrop. Look, this is the effect after we stick the sign. We can direct print the sign when we make the backdrop. I didn't make it because I will use this design for many projects. But if you like, we can help to print the sign when we making the backdrop. We accept customize the backdrop. Okay then, let's make the rose in ballroom. Okay, making the rose in ballroom. Since I already took a tutorial to show you how to make this in very detail. So on this video, I will first skip the procedure. If you are interested to the step-by-step tutorial, click here for the old tutorial. Look, the rose in ballroom was completed. Decorate with some light and install on a stand will be okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, this is the effect after we light up the ballroom. In fact, it's much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. And then let's make other 2 of them and put them in front of the backdrop. Okay, look, this is the effect. And then in order to cover the base or put more decoration stuff on the floor, you can put some flower on it or other decoration. And on this video, I will use some ballroom. Okay, look, I put some ballroom on the floor. In fact, we can put more. That will be much more pretty. But I don't have enough time to make that. Okay, then let's check the effect. On this step, the decoration almost finished, but I want to do more. Look, I will put the LED light on the this edge of the backdrop. Look at this LED light. Look, there are some group on the back. Just tear off this paper, this blue paper, direct stick on the edge of the backdrop will be okay. Okay, I will complete it and show you the effect. Okay, look, I stick the LED light along the backdrop. And then let's check the effect. Okay, I light up all the light. And then let's check the effect. I light up the ballroom also. We will check it in darker environment later. Look, make the size larger. The come out will be much more pretty. And also, you can put a light on the floor or buy the light longer and then drag to the floor. The come out will be pretty also. Okay, then let's check it from the top and from the bottom. Now let's turn off some light and check it in darker environment. Okay, look, this is the effect after I turn off a lot of the light. The effect in reality will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. The color will be much more clean. Okay, let's zoom in to check our rose in ballroom. Actually, it's very, very romantic, very beautiful in reality. Okay, I turn off some light to make it brighter, but not too much bright. So, look, this is the other effect. Hope you like this idea. And for your information, we supply almost all the material used on our video. And we also accept customize the backdrop. You can tell me the size, the color, and idea you want to make. We can help to print out and send you together with the material. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.